You may have seen the news that Human Rights Watch accuses Israel of using starvation as a tactic, which is a war crime. So in the Quran, Allah Azza wa Jal connected very, subhanAllah, poetically and in a powerful manner, fear and hunger. وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ. We will test you with something of fear and in hunger. So there's a connection between fear and hunger, safety and food security, right? The stories that are coming from the people of Gaza and from these places, subhanAllah, are some of the stories that you find from the Prophet ﷺ, where he encouraged the Ansar, and he, in his miracles ﷺ, one of his most prevalent miracles was his ability to take one pot of food or a pitcher of milk, and from it there would be a flow of food or a flow of milk to encourage people to turn a meal for two into a meal for three, a meal for three into a meal for six, and so on and so forth. There are multiple narrations in that regard.